Okay, so today we have problems with RealFlight not working. Okay, so try opening and nothing happens, so won't open. So basically what happened is the antivirus thinks it's a virus, won't open it. So what you need to do, in my case, I'm running Bitdefender, and this is the RealFlight that I have, the 7.5. So basically what I need to do, it's allow it on the program. So I will open Bitdefender. This is Bitdefender 2018. What I need to do, it's view features right there, and then right here in this area, the tree defense, you go to the settings right there, and then in this list you're going to add it your RealFlight. So you're going to put right here, add application to the whitelist, and now you search where the main location is, which is normally the C drive. This depends if you have 32 bits, 64. Nowadays all of them are in 64 bits. So we search for the program RealFlight, RealFlight right here, and what I do, I will select both of the program right there, and then OK. And then after that, I should be able to close that out, and then open the program again, and that's it. Come on, and one more. Come on. Well, oh, there you go. It's working now. So it just took a little while. Right there. And all fixed. Now I believe you should do the same thing with other antiviruses. Once you do that, it should allow you to either open or at least install it, because a lot of times it will not even allow you to install it if your antivirus is blocking that. Anyways, so I hope that helps.